Whether you're new to backyard birding or a lifelong observer, these reads offer fresh insight, curiosity, and joy. The Backyard Bird Chronicles by Amy Tan is a beautifully illustrated memoir, blending personal reflection with sketches and journal entries, celebrating the wonder of birds right outside her window. For those looking to sharpen their skills, Sibley's Birding Basics by David Allen Sibley breaks down how to identify birds by shape, behavior, and habitat, making birding more approachable for everyone. A National Legacy: 50 Years of Non-Game Wildlife Conservation in Minnesota by Carol Henderson traces how Minnesota became a national leader in protecting wildlife beyond hunted species. Henderson recounts the creation of one of the nation's first non-game wildlife programs, emphasizing habitat conservation, public involvement, and the protection of species ranging from pollinators to bald eagles. This book shows how this innovative approach helped bring wildlife conservation into everyday life for Minnesotans. Several fascinating titles by Jennifer Ackerman explore bird intelligence and behavior. The Birdway examines how birds communicate, cooperate, and think, while The Genius of Birds reveals their problem-solving skills and creativity. What an Owl Knows dives into the mysterious world of owls, uncovering new science behind their silent flight and keen senses. In What It's Like to Be a Bird, David Allen Sibley answers everyday questions about how birds live, eat, and survive, paired with clear, engaging illustrations. And for a lighter, humorous read, Why Don't Woodpeckers Get Headaches by Mike O'Connor tackles quirky bird questions with wit and insight. Whether you're reading on a porch, by the lake, or watching the feeder from your kitchen window, we hope these books deepen your connection to the wild world just outside.